In a room of golden sound, where notes like ghosts drift all around, I see the paper pure and wide. The symphony waits by my side. Fingers reaching through the haze, searching for a song ablaze. Strings like whispers softly hum. The face-melt storm has just begun. I pour the stars into my hand. With every strum they understand. A solo born from deep inside, melting faces far and wide. Each note burns like falling rain, a melody to ease the pain. Through the silence it unfolds, a dream that's written fierce and bold. Violins wail behind my plea, conducting storms in symphony. The guitar screams its aching art, to melt the world with beating heart. I pour the stars into my hand. With every strum they understand. A solo born from deep inside, melting faces far and wide. I pour the stars into my hand. With every strum they understand. A solo born from deep inside, melting faces far and wide.